Is ClickFunnels the secret to making money online? In this video, we're going to unveil the truth about ClickFunnels and whether or not it's a scam. So stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make videos that help you start and scale your online business. Now let's talk about ClickFunnels is an online tool that allows you to create a sales funnel for your business. Now, a sales funnel is basically a series of pages that a potential customer goes through to buy your product or service, and ClickFunnels helps you to automate this process. Now, the good thing about ClickFunnels is that it's very easy to use. You don't need any technical skills to learn how to use it, and you don't even need to hire a developer to help you. However, the downside to ClickFunnels is that it can get expensive. As your business grows, you'll need to upgrade your plan in order to keep up with the demand. So is ClickFunnels a scam? No, it's not a scam. It's a legitimate business tool that can help you to make money online. But like anything else in business, there are pros and cons, and I'll leave the decision up to you.